Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. A different type of stylized patterns ranging from bot neck design, U neck design, V-shape embroidery patterns, viral neckline embroidery patterns, stylized patterns, all over embroidery style patterns, full flared heavy chester style neckline embroidery, traditional style embroidery patterns. Many more creativities have been shared in this video, along with a wide variety of different colors of fabric bases, along with very beautiful hand embroidery stitches. All I want you is to watch the video till end so that you could remain notified with the updates and beautiful creatively design patterns. And the beauty and trait of this video collection is that these designs are two in one. That is, these designs are equally used for machine embroidery as well as they could be used for hand art, handwork, needlework, hand embroidery. The basic creativity and design ideas of this video collection is unique in itself, and they can equally be used for formal dress wear, for different type of formal wear. In order to begin with, before moving forward, I would request you to don't forget to subscribe and like my videos and my channel, and in the comment section leave the comments that what you want us to share with you in our new and upcoming videos. Because on daily basis we try our level best to share creativity, beautiful design ideas, and unique patterns of hand embroidery that are new, easy, beginner friendly, and with less amount of effort you can create a designer style pattern of your own by sitting at your home. The basic purpose and intent of making videos and sharing design ideas with you is to never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose is to share creativity designs with the ones who are lovers of hand embroidery, with the ones who are in search of beautiful hand embroidery patterns. So, guys, do watch the video to the end so that you can get all the amazing, trendy, and beautiful design patterns, and keep us updated or informing us about your likes and choices of interest and which type of content you want to see on our channel. And if you already have subscribed, you can subscribe from as many other devices you could so that we could grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. With your love and support, we can continue to grow. And if unfortunately you are unable to find the best or beautiful or the design of your choice, then I would recommend you to watch on my channel. I have already made different type of categorized categories of playlists into which I have shared thousands of designs of hand embroidery, handwork, and hand art. So with this, allow me to leave and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos onto my channel. Up till then, take care. Thank you so much for watching.